What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2012 Triumph Scrambler 900. I'll walk you through the steps. Should be less than 5 minutes. Let's get to it. You're going to need 3.8 quarts oil filter, 5 mil Allen, that's going to take off the bash guard. 17 mil is going to take off the K&N oil filter that's currently on there. And then the drain plug, if I remember correctly, it's either a 13 or a 14. Lastly, you're going to need your oil pan and some type of funnel. First things first, we're going to start and run the bike for about 5 minutes to get it up to temp. All right, we're going to let that warm up real quick. Actually, while that's warming up, we'll take the bash guard off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're actually going to leave that fourth one. This may look different. This will likely look different on your bike. This one is aftermarket. Now we're gonna see if it's a 13 or 14 mil. 13 it is. So I would push the bash guard out of the way, just like that. You wanna put your oil pan in front, because that's gonna shoot out that way. Ooh. Right. As you can see, it's kind of shooting forward a little bit. So we'll let that drain out. Almost all drained. We're just going to take the old crush washer off, put the new one on. While that's finishing up, we're going to prep this oil filter. We've got the 300V, 15 weight 50, 100% synthetic O-ring right here. And then we're also going to fill as well. All right, so that oil filter is ready to go. So be careful not to cross thread. Try to just make sure that there we go, that it catches all nice. The main deal is to just not over tighten it. Cleaning it up. 1, 2. And if you really want, there. And once again, very careful not to cross thread. We'll take our 13 mil. So this is finger tight right there. That's it. All right, just a little bit. Looks like half to me. All right, that sight glass is looking good. When the bike is straight up and down, that sight glass is reading exactly half. If it's reading a little bit less, then put a little bit more oil in. It's always easier to put a little more oil in than take oil out. So my recommendation would be to put in about 3.5 quarts to begin, and then slowly add from there, checking the sight glass as you go. All right, that's it for today's oil change. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more moto content. Drop a comment if you got any questions. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.